Hello, hello. We have a very important guest here with us today. What's your name?
Jayden.
Jayden. His name is Jayden, and we're gonna do a little bit of unboxing today. Not very many products, but this is the shipment that came in today, and we'll see if Jayden remembers his flower names. Let's start off with this. What is this, Jayden?
Palm leaves.
These are dry palm leaves. These are bleached white, or it's a beigey color. Okay, so we have that, and we have many stems of these.
Cotton candy.
Cotton candy. These are dry cotton. Look how beautiful they are. They're all natural. The whole stem is natural. Okay, so we have cotton. And we have this. Eucalyptus. These are dyed brown. Very dark brown, actually. Okay, we have eucalyptus. And we have
Rice flowers.
These are rice flowers, dyed orange. And these ones, what are these?
Bunny tails.
These are bunny tails. So as you can see, we have some fall colors here. We're getting ready for our fall designs. And then we have the last one. We have these beautiful anthuriums. Look how delicate these are. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these yet, but I bought them because they're so pretty. So that's it. That's all the unboxing today. We have another shipment coming in tomorrow or the day after, so we'll do more unboxing then.